Can we download Facebook Lite for iPhone? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by App Hacks. In today's video, we'll discuss if you can download Facebook Lite on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's try it out. The first step here is head over to your App Store. So after you're on your App Store, simply search for Facebook Lite. So it's right here, I'll just tap on that. And if you just scroll down, you will see that you cannot find Facebook Lite. So if you are on Android, it should be really easy to find Facebook Lite as it is available on your App Store or Play Store. So just go there and download it for Android users. But for iOS users, there is no option for it on App Store. So let us head over to our Safari and search for Facebook Lite. So after searching for Facebook Lite, you'll notice that the only option that you will get is Facebook, not Facebook Lite, even from the App Store option. So that means that it is not a regional issue. So the reason why you cannot actually download Facebook Lite on your iPhone is due to Facebook Lite being removed from App Store. Now, this was done because there was limited adoption of the version that is the Lite version of Facebook. So it was not really popular. So they have just removed it completely. So I hope this answers your question, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.